Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni wakaribishwa Kenya yetu, kuna matata. Good morning, good morning everyone. Now it's 8 in the morning, so we're just going for a walk. Oh, it's there. I thought this side. We're going to the well. Hey, ay, bless you. Bless you. Someone is yawning. This is where we are renting before. This house. Someone is living here.
This school is what my cousin is there.
Huh?
This school is there.
For Johnson and Carlton?
Yeah. Yeah.
Carlton cannot eat a lot. He cannot eat a lot. I was giving him another bread. He said he's full. There. Oh. There is a school or is just a house?
I don't know if the house I even never been
Hey,
there.
this one is very nice, Lenny.
Huh?
This one.
This gate or house?
The gate. The inside. And they're building another one.
Baba.
Say good morning, Auntie AC.
Morning.
I've never been here.
You've never been here?
Only that side. Going to Budalangi. Budalangi. Sam, you're so sexy. There's a lot of nice houses here.
Yeah.
It's still far?
No.
We're almost there. There's a big pig there. We are going to the well. I've never been here in this side. Look at the view. Oh, it's very refreshing. Baba, there's Pipi. You want to walk, right? No, you cannot go down. You will go down. I will go down later when we reach there, okay? Wow, this place is very nice. Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni Makaribishwa Kenya yetu una matata. Look at, we're leaving that side. You see, you can see the mountain that side. So this is the life in the village. People are fetching water in this side. You see, habari. He wants to go down. Huh? Yeah. Hey, it's very far. This is far, my God. Very far.
Very far, right?
Mm.
You know why you come here to Moshi? Because there's a pond there.
Mm-hmm. Papaya again. Banana. Oh, mommy's there. Okay. This is where people fetching water. Is very far. But this one maybe it's heavy.
It's not heavy.
It's not heavy. You see? Ah, you have this one. The water is very clean.
It is near.
Hmm?
It's near.
This water is very clean. Oh, it's easy. So you have this one.
Mm.
Okay. We're going back home. There's a cows there. Yeah. Coril! Baba, you're not sleepy? Hmm? This place is so relaxing. Green view. Putanggo ka, Baba. Hey, you see? This is the way. It's going up. Wow. Very nice view. Let me take a picture. Hey, the display is very big. Look. Hakim. Hakim. He says, and you? Hey, very far. I'm already tired. Mama. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yes, we're almost. People are building nice houses here. See that one? Very nice. It's a rental. Yes, we are here. Wow, look at the view. I love the view here. Very nice. This is a church. And this is, we're going now. Thank you for watching, guys. Please continue to support me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Have a lovely day, everyone. From us here in the village. I love you all. Thank you.